Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel, and today is 2024, 4th of March. Okay, this is a restart. It's a restart. Okay. Okay, because voice keep breaking up, huh? I saw I restart it again. Okay. Let's see if this is better now. Hi, good morning. Hi, dobro jutro, Carlo. Hi, Eric. Nice to see you. Hi, Bradley. Hi, Fred. Okay. Yeah, all right. OK，等一下我们要上课啊，记得啊，7点钟我们要上课哈。OK，yeah，slightly better。OK，等一下我们要记得我们要上课哈，好不好？等一下记得要上课哈，7点钟啊。OK，alright，so yep, and let's see. Okay, what do we have here now? Okay, right. Do remember to smash the like button for me. Okay, yeah. Alright, Sabrina, thank you so much. Okay, you're back again. Okay. 你好. Sawadee krap. Yes. Now you're good. Now you're multilingual. Alright, so yep, and let's come back. Ah, I think the sound now the sound is good. Okay, good, very good. Now let's come back here. Okay. Right. So for the pound dollar, let's continue with some plannings here for the pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar reaching out into this area here. I look at this. They are testing into this area of resistance here, and I see that this has been taken out. Okay, then I see that how come the sound is back again? Hello, what's wrong, man? Ai. Mic test. Ready to go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Okay. Should be good, huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's try. If not, I'm going to put it into my mouth. Okay. So let's see. And okay. Our birth was so high. Nice, nice, friend. Okay, thank you. Give a thumbs up. Right. Okay. So for that, we have met up with this area here. Okay, and the resistance of the move here, and tested out this area as the break of break of structure over here, and then looks like over at this point here. Okay, it should be now testing out the resistance has been tested, but maintaining down nicely. Okay, so since this is now on the selling side, let's wait for a little while, because as I can see over at this point here, it looks like a head and shoulder is coming. All right. Well, of course, there's nice liquidity down here. Okay, you can see, right, this area, which is H1 area as well. Okay, H1 area, very nice. So probably we may be looking out for some selling today from the pound dollar. Okay, so this has been taken out as we talk about this and this. So we just delete off, not to confuse ourselves anymore. So we have an area here. No, not here. There's a range actually. Okay, let me check. Right. So let's see. Okay, for the pound dollar, I will be looking into these areas first. Okay, this area should be quite good. This area should be quite good here. Right, and maybe over at this point here, we may be looking into some selling down over to take this area, about 12 pips of space down there, waiting for this head and shoulder looks like it's coming. But if this head and shoulder failed, it should be moving up to test the resistance once again. Okay, then we will see if there's a chance for the selling from 126.79.3. Okay, if not, this is going to break 126655 again. The same 126655, which is last week. We are talking about this price, correct? Last week when we were here, we are looking at this area. Okay, so this is the left shoulder. Now coming into this area here that it breaks out to be the head. Well, very big one. Okay, so when it actually comes back here, rebound back. Okay, rebound back in H1 and to meet 126.557. Maybe bounce back to 126.655 again to form a head and shoulder to swing down to take this 126.081. Okay, so this may be a possibility there. Okay, this may be a possibility there. So this is where, okay, we may need to be mindful. Okay, so it's still, there's a good chance there. All right. So after that, okay, we are still looking into some other areas. Okay, that the possibility may also comes in. All right. There's one more. Okay, leave this, and I'm going to create this. H1, talking about this, and M5, talking about today's low here. Right, so there may be a good chance. Okay, the selling of looks like they are going to test. Okay, they are going to test into this area. Right, they are going to test into this area. So looks like there's a chance there. Okay, so let's see if there's a good chance. Okay. Right. Looks like there's a chance over here. Yeah, 557. A good chance for the 557. Okay. So let's see. We are heading down to H1, going to open soon. Alright. So there may be even down to 126.41.6 down here. Okay, over here. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if there's a good chance there. Alright. Hang on first because right now it's still hitting on to 126.655. If there's a chance to break this to form a resistance down here, okay, then I will see there's a good chance to go for 126.557. Then next will be 126.456. That's one turbulence area to take out 126.416. Okay, yeah, but right now looks like this is going to hold. It looks like it's holding nicely. Let's see if this is going to test out first. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes. Merry Christmas. Okay. Enjoy yourself. Right. Over here. Yep. So just hang on for a little while. But are we trading against the trend? Okay. That's a good question. Okay. For now, as we can see, the bull is running until it breaks a structure, comes in as a bear here, but now it's actually recovering back. Am I right? It's actually recovering back here to retest up into this area of resistance. So this resistance has been tested and got some rejections. So likely they will be looking for support. Okay, they'll be looking for support over at this point here. So now this red candle for this H1 here, okay, looking for support, then probably we may want to need to wait for a little while to firm up the resistance, to see if they are actually still going to take the lows as a support, which may be this area to the opening today. Okay, there is still a good chance over there. All right. So by looking into current situation, okay, this round test and this is the rejections. Okay, all these movements are the rejections. So over at this point here, are they able to sustain as a support over from these areas here, or will they break into this area to test this range of the bottom of this range here? Okay, so let me get the box in. Okay, let's see. For example, this way. Right, so currently looks like we are still up there. Right, so it will be good to wait for it to break into this area. Then let's see if they are going to take the bottom of this area to break out to take 126.41.6. Okay, so it's good to wait for a little while. Okay, it's good to wait for a little while. But of course, I mean, are we trading against the trend? Looks like it is, but they are actually still looking for some support. All right, so at the moment we have no idea yet, because the bull is still, this is still, in terms of H4, it is a pullback here to test the resistance. So if they are going for more selling, they should be looking for resistance, which also the liquidity where the most sellers are. Correct, this range where the most sellers are for this wave here. Okay, so will it actually comes to a point to look out for resistance? And yep, this will be the area. So if you're looking to H1, they are actually testing into this area of resistance. Am I right? Okay. So if the resistance is not breaking, then basing on the theory of support and resistance not breaking should be looking for support. So they be looking for a support down here, okay, or to form a new support up there. Right, so let's wait and see if this is going to break down into this box here, right, which is a current situation of M5 in M5 here. Then after that, to see if there will be a good chance that they are going to take down the low to look out for support before they bounce back again to retest onto the H4 area. Okay, this is the area they may be still trying to break. If this is the area they have tested and rejected down, with no more retesting, they should be going down to take the lows of 126.081 here. Okay, high chance, but we need more confirmation. I need more confirmation, I would say. Okay, I will need more confirmation over here. Right. So at the moment, you can see that there are some support. Seems like it's coming soon from this area here. Correct. Yep. So over at this point here, yep, and we should be looking out. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay, so over at this point here, we can still observe a little bit, but if you're looking for a buy here, I would say that the buy is we are still very close to the resistance. Okay, then I would say that it's not very ideal. It's not very ideal. Okay, so I will prefer to, if I'm going for selling, I will also wait for it to break this area to form a resistance down here to sell off. Okay, to sell off from this area of 126.655. 126.655. Okay, yeah. So that is this is one of the area that I think it will be good. Buying tentatively, resistance is too near. Okay, resistance is too near. Okay, Yeah. Okay, then all right, so this will be one. Okay, all right, then let's hang on for a little while and see how it goes. Okay, because we still need to have a lot of this area, we still need to have some confirmation. Right. Hi, good morning, Fernando. Nice to see you. Right. Yep, and let's hang on. Okay, H1 is going to open soon, so I'm waiting for H1 to open. Okay, to see if this H1 is it going to set up the resistance to swing off. Okay, to take down all these areas of 126,557, 126,416. All right, so these are the areas. Okay. Yep. Okay, and this area here to about here. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, we are 3 minutes to go. We have 3 minutes to go. Just hang on first. Okay. What? Bye. Come home early. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's hang on. Hang on. Yep. Yes, Sabrina. I'm looking at the pound dollar, like you say, this is a very small head and shoulder. Do you think the effect will be there? Uh, this is really very small. Okay, but the basic, this is M5. Okay, so if this structure forming up, okay, usually head and shoulder you need to have a move. Okay, which the move was here. Okay, so it went up with the low liquidity in the Asian market. Then you know, it's actually not a very good one, but it will still have some impact. Okay, it will still have some impact over here, right? So we have to take note if this is forming up or not. Yeah. Okay. Right. So okay. So over at this area here, and still looking into. If this is actually breaking down here, close below 126,655 into the box. Okay, into the box just now where we brought it out just now, like here. Okay, then likely to see that it's going to test into 126,557, which may be the head and shoulder a short term, just only a short term one. Okay, that's only a short term. Yeah. So scalping, yeah, okay. We can grab the opportunity here. Okay, we can grab the opportunity over here. Right? Yeah. Which I see. Okay. But H1, let's wait for H1. Okay. Yep. H1 is going to open soon. All right. Let's see. We have 30 seconds to go. Okay. About 30 seconds to go. Then seems like they maybe don't know. Let's wait. Looks like this whole area has already taken. This whole area also been taken. Then they should be looking out into this area here. This area is quite a good area. Then after that, to go back, after the support has formed up, then after that to go back to cover up again. Yeah. Okay. So possible. Yes, it's possible. Right. Okay. So right now we are still here, which nothing yet. Okay. H1 also. Right. Let me check the H1. Let's see. Okay. H1 looks like over at this side here is still okay. No matter what, I'm still waiting for H1. okay, in M5 is if this M5 is going to bring the price down below 126.65.5, there will be a good chance to sell off from here when the new resistance comes in. Okay, but the area here is not very fantastic. Okay, so a scalping is good. Then for this case, I may be looking into this area to break to go down into 126.41.6. Right. So for this case, you can try if the selling is really good, you can try to if you enter a trade, you can try to monitor without a TP. Monitor without a TP. Okay. Then after that, once it breaks, okay, then you can hold it for more pips. So a total probably will be looking out into 23 pips. Right, about 23 pips. Okay. Right. Yep. So hi, trader 12. Okay, identify yourself. Who are you? Alright. Okay, so yep. And over at this point here, let's take a look slowly. Okay. Yes. Okay. Do you think Monday is usually a very slow day for us to trade and a lot of uncertainty in the market, corrections, blah blah blah? Okay. Possible, of course. Okay, but along the way they're bound to have some chance. Okay, just that did we manage to wait? Did we manage to, or maybe, or do we have patient? Are we patient enough to wait for it to come in? Okay, right. Yep. And over at this point here, by looking into the whole of area here, okay, if I'm going to string it down here, right, this has done up nicely, and with this also done up nicely. So now it should be looking into another area, okay, to done up nicely as well. So for this, the first part of the area should be looking down into this area here, 126.41.6, which along the way it will meet up with 126.557, which is one area that may be giving some turbulence. Okay, yeah, Sabrina. Okay, I see selling opportunity is coming. Okay, yep, I see quite nice. Okay, if you're looking into this, there's a very little head and shoulder over at this side here. So signaling a selling trade is coming. Signaling a selling trade. Okay. Yep. And once it breaks close below, I think with a new resistance down here, I think it will be good. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right. Okay. So for this one, I think probably is a good one to see if this is going to close below 126.65.5. Okay, 126.655. Okay, 126.655. Yeah, I guess it should be good because this session should be building up for something for H4 later on. Okay, should be building up something for H4 later on. Right. Then later on probably we will be looking out for some, maybe later on in your session it should be selling off nicely. Yeah, this week we have a non-farm, this week have non-farm payroll, and tomorrow the ISM services or PMI. Okay, and on Wednesday we have plenty of high impact news. Okay, and okay, Thursday also, and Friday non-farm. Okay, yeah, right. So yes, and lastly, the daylight saving shift come in. Okay, now is the beginning of the year, so the US will shift. You imagine the globe and the sun and the moon, right? Okay, so from the east, east. Now they turn this 1 hour, then the east will go first. After that, they turn back, the west will go first. The west will turn first. Okay. That's a very easy way to, you know, to remember how the daylight savings changes are, the timing. Okay, so next week US hour will be back. Okay, will be back to the usual 1 hour. Okay, right. Okay, so over at this point here, by looking into the pound dollar over at this side, let's take a look at the gold. Forgotten about the gold. Huh? Okay, how about the gold? Okay, the gold looks like they broke this area. Nice, 2084, and let's see if this 2084 able to hold as a resistance. If this able to hold as a resistance, there will be a good chance to see a selling off down to 2079. Okay, there will be a good chance selling off to 2079. Okay, yeah. Yes, Sabrina. Pound dollar, yeah. Pound dollar is still supported by this 126.655. Seems like this support is not easy to break because it's on the PP. And yep, okay, yes. Bradley, GU sell for Sabrina. You sold ah? No, right? Okay. Sabrina has not sold yet. She said she anxious. Okay. Yes. Yes. All right. Okay. So yep. Hi, Yue Ting. Nice to see you here. Yep. Thank you so much for coming in. Are you in Asia or you are in Europe? I realize that your timing is always in the European hours, not in Asia hour. Okay, because my job is in European hours. Okay, all right, yeah, okay, yes, okay. So over at this point here, all right, we need to be a little bit patient. Okay, yes, Sabrina is a very patient girl, not like you, cowboy. BSGD. Okay. Let's see. Okay, hang on for a little while first because I think it's still, you can see some rejections here, am I right? Okay. If this is going to break and to serve as a resistance over at this point, which is good, with the current situation showing now. Okay, with the current situation showing now, if this breaks below to form another resistance below this price, it will be a good resistance to push down. Okay, by looking at it right now. Okay, yeah, so looking good. Okay, looking good. Yeah. So hang on for a little while. Hang on for a little while. Okay. Yep. And goal wise, also, Caro, the goal is, it looks like the goal is holding below 2084. Looks like the goal is holding below 2084.59. Seems like selling is coming soon. It looks like the selling is coming soon by looking at the M15. Yeah. I need to do an eye check. Looks like yes, now Q is will selling continue. What is now Q? Now Q is will selling continue. Now Q. I think Caro is still in the key bell. Okay, and question. I see. Now question. Okay, I'm sorry. I have not wake up. Okay. Yep. Looks like okay. Looks like it seems like this is actually right. Fresh up and sitting pretty. Okay. Yep. 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 Let's see if this is still looking at this. I think should be quite soon. I think it should be quite soon. Should be quite soon for 2079, right? Just now we're talking about 2079. 2076. 2079 to 2076. Okay. So looks like okay. Yep. Right. Then this should be good. Okay. Right. Then let's see. Okay. Hi, Tawa Shah. Nice to see you here. You're in my Facebook. Would you like to hop into my YouTube channel? Right. Bradley, oh yeah, go 2080. What do you mean 2080? That's your targeted price? Okay. 2080. Okay, I think Cowboy started his selling again. 2080. Okay. Okay. Well, I realized Bradley always take the profit just slightly above our targeted price. Okay. Right. So okay. Yeah. Then let's see if this 2080 is going to work out. All right. Okay. So for pound dollar, yes, pound dollar looks like well, it's actually struggling around this area here. Okay. Struggling around this area doesn't seems like it's actually set up into this area here. Okay, so for example, if I'm going to draw this line here, and can you see there's little area here? Okay, so you can see they are actually struggling in for this area. They are struggling to enter into the box, correct? Right. So you can see okay, this is the targeted area. Right. So they are trying to get out of this and go into this area. Then there are some pips to take down here by breaking out of this to go into this. Okay. So they are now in this area here. They just form up only. They have just formed up. So trying to get out of this area and then to get this area so that they can get into this area. Okay. So that they can get this area. So by looking into this area here, okay, so they are looks like they are still struggling here, right? So let's see if they are able to get out here, get down here, and then get into this area. Okay, yeah. Okay, so at the moment, still struggling. No direction yet. Okay, no entry yet. Okay, not supposed to. Right. Yep, resistance here, but support here, and this area may be going sideways for a while. So make sure it goes out of the area before you take action. Let's see. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Sabrina's mentioning about M15. Okay. Yes. What about the M15? Right. Blah 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 blah. This is the process where I see the M15 may be building up another lower highs, which is another resistance lower than the highs up there to take the wicks. Then after that to close below so that it will continue the selling off from 126.655. That will be the good chance when the next M15 opening because M30 will also be creating down. M30 will be creating down the what? Creating down the what? Okay. Creating down the breaking of the neckline over that side to break neckline. Okay, then to wow, that's a very long passage. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Yep. Okay. So ultimately we are still waiting to break 126.655. Correct? Okay. To sum up. Okay. To sum up, we are still waiting to break 126.655 in order to form another resistance below 126.655 to sell off. Okay. To sell off. So that to take 126.557. That what you meant because but you were saying that because of M15 you see this may be only a pullback for these three candles. You can if they are able to neutralize. Okay, that's a good word to use. Neutralize. Okay, yeah, that, yeah. Okay, yep. All right. Okay, can, yes, you're right. So end of the day is still this may be only a pullback, right? This may be a pullback process to take down 126.655 to close below 126.655. All right. Okay, that's good. Okay, yep. I think that's quite a good understanding over here for Sabrina. Okay, you can use that as understanding as well. Okay, so if the M15 is going to close down with a resistance here, it will be good. Of course, it will be good, but it depends on where it closes as well. First of all, it's good is because it closed as a resistance. Then after that, it closed right below. Okay, to break into the to break out of this area here, which is the M5 box here. Okay, the M5 box here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's also one. Okay, right. Then over at this point here, if this close right below, then we have a good chance to retest this area to form a resistance. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, okay. Can wait. Okay. Yes, I am waiting to reach 2080 for the goal. Okay, 2080. Yeah. Let's Carol, have you entered for this? Did you enter for this? Okay. Okay, guys, let me go to the key bell and I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry. I will be right back very soon. Okay. Thank you so much. Alright guys, thank you so much for your patience. I'm back. And let's come back here and take a look. Okay. Well, yes. Yes, Berry, when will my account be ready? So sorry. I think it's not ready yet, right? Let me check it out later on after my live streaming. I try to get back to you. Okay. Right. Hang on, let me check with them and I get back to you in a while, okay? After my live streaming. Okay. So yep, let's come back here first. The goal seems like they are still hovering around this area here. This we have 5 minutes to go. We need another 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so hang on. Alright. Pound dollar, yes, pound dollar still over into this area here. They are hitting into this area and still there. Okay. Right. Well, and looks like it's going to bounce down, up and down into this area. A bit sideways is coming soon. Yeah. Your M15 doesn't work. Okay, hang on first. All right. Wait. Anyway, I'm still waiting for 126,655. It must close below 126,655, right? 126,655. If this M30 is going to close, I think with a resistance, then it will be good. M15 have to close with a resistance also. Right, but okay. This has shown a lot of support over from this area here. Just wait first. Okay. Yeah, don't take action first, because if you're looking for selling, now won't be looking for buying for pound dollar. The reason behind is that the resistance is too near. Okay, I won't be taking any action for buying because the resistance is too near. You don't buy near the resistance. Am I right? You should buy near the support. Okay, so I won't say, for me, I won't say this is a very good support over at this area here. Okay, it is not still a very good support. I'm just waiting for the buyers to let go. Yep, you're waiting for the buyers to let go. Okay, I get what you mean, because of the RBS, right? Okay, so waiting for it to break into this area, then retest. There will be a good chance for the selling down. Yep. Right. Has been buying good buying on the beginning of the market, and today looks like this Yep, you're right, Sabrina. Okay, and taking into the consideration, like you mentioned, it should be making another round of resistance to take down the 126,416 here. Maybe here, or maybe even lower to this area of 126,341. But let's take a look at 416 first. Yeah, 416 first. Yeah, let's take a look at 416. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. Holding tight on the resistance, which is good. Yep. Okay. Of course, it looks good. Okay. Let's see in the next M30 is going to open in 1 minute's time. All right. So will it actually also bring the price down, and then to continue H1 for a toddler strategy, but H4 not there yet. So probably we may need to wait for the H4 opening. Okay, so we have 30 minutes to H4 opening as well. Yes, a bit long waiting, but I think it will be worth waiting. Okay, I think it will be worth waiting. All right. Yep. Okay, so they are hovering around this area, so still trying to get. Okay. Then let's see. Okay. Yeah, M30 has opened. Okay. Then well, M30 open. Let's see. M30 has opened, but M15 is not moving like what you expect. You're hoping for. So hang on, may need a little bit more time there. Okay, so how about the goal? Okay, looks like the goal is looking good. 15, oh, looks good. M30, one. Okay, five, current movement. Looks like some temporary selling is coming in. Okay, and yep. Looks like it's quite flat here. Looks like it's very flat also. May need to wait for a little while. Okay. Yeah. May need to wait for a while like pound dollar. Yeah. Okay. Looks like pound dollar is breaking out of the area here. Okay. So let's see how it close. Right. Let's see how it close first. Okay. Yes. Correct. Let's see how it close. Okay. Yep. Then another round of retesting of the resistance, then come back for another round of selling will be so much better. You are saying that if it's going to test into this area, 126,793, okay. Possible, yes, it's quite possible, right? And of course, it will be better. Of course, it will be better. Okay, if this is going to test into 126,793, then after that to hold as a resistance down again. Back here, we have one area here, another area here. So total with 22 pips. In between, we have a 13 pips. Okay. Yes. Correct. That's right. Okay. Yep. And then from there, probably another round of selling. Yep. Okay. So the goal is moving. So the goal is also trying to test back onto the 2084, 59. Okay. We still have some way to go. Looks like the M5 here. Okay, high chance they are getting this area. First of all, to get this area first between this range 126.74.5, 126.74.5 to 126.77, 126.77. Okay, 126.77. Okay, yep. Right. So let's see if that holds back again. Test back, it will be a good one. Then the selling may be better. Correct. Anyway, over here into this area is not a good selling area, as we can already see the sideways is actually building up. Now they are trying to break out of that sideways where looks like the one is not is trying. They are working hard that probably is not trying to form up the dodgy, in this H1. Yeah. Yes. Yep. Maybe. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Yep. Sabrina was saying that okay, they are testing out to take the liquidity up there. Is it? Is there? Yeah. Still have some. Okay. Still have some, but inside here, I think yeah, inside in M15, yes, okay. I'm looking at M15. Yes, you're right. Okay. Hang on first. Let's see. Let's wait. Okay. All right. Okay. So M15. Uh-huh. M15. Okay. M15, we still at 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, that's right. Yep, you are right. Today is really very slow, I would say. Correct? So slow. We don't have a chance to sell right now. For now. Okay. We don't have a chance to sell for now. Correct. Okay. Now, we don't have a chance. So hang on first. Yep. Buying also not suggested because over at this point here, okay, if you are looking into that area, are they trying to take out higher of this area? Then we have to look out because the resistance has formed up here. Okay, so let's see if it's able to hold it. If not, you are passing through a lot of hurdles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have three hurdles there. Okay, so I'd rather wait. I'd rather wait for the wall. Yep. Okay. I'd rather wait for the wall first. Okay. Let's see. Let's check. And for now, it should be working out on something. Okay. This is too slow. Let's take a look at the goal. The goal going to test out into 2084 over into this area here. Right. Then nope. At this point here, I would say still not there yet. Yeah, still moving very slow. Yeah. Yes, today is still moving very slow. So you know, guys, when you are moving very slow at this point of time, okay, sometimes it's not a wise choice to rush into a trade. Like example, pound dollar. Okay, let's see pound dollar. Right. For example, this area here. Okay. So if you are going for the selling, of course you don't sell around here because this area is still as a support over into this area, right? So probably even if you sold this area, you have to wait for one big round, testing the resistance, and come back again. Okay, that will give a lot of emotion stirred up. Okay, which is not so good. Okay, so that's if you're going to then since that's the case, then go for a buy. Okay, okay. I mean, if you're confident about buying here to reach this area, I mean, okay. But then again, this looks like a little bit of the space is quite constrained, because just now earlier on we're looking at like there's a little head and shoulder here, there may be a resistance here, there may be a resistance here. So in the end, it's not easy for buyers to go in for a trade as well. So maybe waiting for a probability will be more onto the selling side where it holds the resistance here to sell back here. Okay, yeah. So that is one. Okay, then unless it breaks through, unless it breaks out, okay, then we will need to replan. All right. But basing on current movement, the probability, if we are looking into it, it will be still looking for resistance to sell off. Okay, then after that, then we will go for the selling. Okay, yeah. So at the moment, right now, I would say that it will still be good to wait for a little while. Okay, just hold on first. Yep. As for the goal wise, I was looking into 2084 to retest. Okay, to retest to form a resistance down below 2084, which is now testing now. So if this is going to retest and hold as a resistance to sell off, then 2079, 2081, 2079 may be a possible area to take note. Okay, over like here. Okay, yeah. So all this area, we can take note of all this area. Yeah. Yes, correct. Okay. So for me, if I'm looking at this area here, I will still same thing. I'll be waiting for the resistance to come in. Yeah, I will be waiting for the resistance to come in. Okay. So not yet. So still waiting. Yep. Yeah, I will wait for a little while. Yes. Okay. Yep. And I think it's almost there. Okay, coming to a point. Well, our dollar, oops, is still forming up above 126,709. So we are still expecting to see it's going to test some resistance up there unless this going to form a resistance. Okay. Then it may go back into this area again. It's going to be boring again. Right. Then we have to be extremely patient with that. Okay. Well, so that's why you see we're talking about areas. Areas are very important for me. Okay, to identify which are the areas that is still good for me. Okay, to build out the probability so that I know, okay, whether is this a good area for me to sell. So for the gold wise, okay, now it seems like they are going to retest back into the resistance. Take out this whole area of 2086, 2086, 2085. Yeah, 2086 exactly. Right, somewhere there. Almost there. So I mean, basing on current situation. Okay, basing on current situation here. Yeah. Right. So if you are waiting for 2080, like Bradley and Alan, yeah, maybe this will be the area that you may need to pay attention to. Okay. Yeah. Not there. Yeah. Okay. So hang on first. If that's the case. Yeah, pound dollar also going up. Okay, let's see. Yes, pound dollar. Okay. Well, isn't that nice to get this area of resistance? Okay. Well, this area of resistance. No, because I'm 15 over here, as we can see from here, all the way here. Yeah, this is why I wanted to wait. It's as a this area, okay, it's good to wait because of this area here. So no bargaining. I mean no bargaining on the support. Okay. Which already so obvious in M5, correct? Yeah. So it's good to wait for the long while. Yeah. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So all in all, okay. All in all, so if the H4 is going to close nicely, okay, still below the area of resistance, okay, then I think it will still be good. So roughly basing on H4, hopefully that it will still close below 126,711. Okay, then I think it should be still good to go for the selling. Let's assume that if this is going to close above, okay, if this is going to close above, taking out this whole area, okay, this whole area, right, then of course we should be still looking out for the liquidity up there here. Okay, there are still plenty. It has not been taken out yet, right? Okay, but of course, currently we just wait. Seller has to wait. Seller has to wait. Okay, that's what I meant. Seller has to wait. Okay, you have to wait. Okay. So when you have to identify your role. I am a seller. Correct. I'm a seller. So as a seller, I have to wait for the good price to sell off. Correct. Right. So I want to see if there is a good place there's a good area for me to sell off. Yeah. So make sure it is good. Okay, make sure it is good to sell off. Okay, when it comes to the point where the resistance is coming, which is like now, you know, M15 has opened. Okay, let's take a look. You see M15 has opened, and it's obvious that we are going to test the resistance, right? Okay. Yep. At the same time, you also create very nice move out there to be taken down. Okay. Yeah, yes, you can say so. Okay. Yes, you can say so. But you can see the move is still on the upward move, correct? Still on the upward move. So it will be good to see the resistance tested first, then we will see what it goes. Now, totally. Now, of course, no buying at all. Now, no buying at all. Okay, no buying at all. It should be more to test. Wait for the testing of the resistance. Let's wait for the testing of the resistance. Then we will see how it goes before we actually go in for the selling. All right. Yeah. Then that will be better. Right. Because we are now, you're talking about, wow, I see this green candle. Oh, what a good move. I'm going in for a buy. But we've forgotten that we have a resistance nearby. Okay. Buyers don't buy near the resistance. Always remember that. Okay. Always remember that. Yep. All right. So just hang on for a little while. Okay. Just hang on for a little while. Okay. So, yes. Yep. I will be having my live streaming for this week. Yes, correct. Yep. In the beginning of the London session. Okay. Okay, so this should be good. All right, then let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this seller. Now we are talking about for pound dollar. We are all looking at the seller side. We are all looking at the seller side, huh? Seller side. So you don't sell now. You wait for the resistance to be tested first. Resistance got to be tested first. Just now it was hovering here. I say no selling because support is here. Correct? No selling. But buying also no buying because just now earlier on it have a structure for selling. So, but it did not form up the structure of the selling. But it was going sideways, giving a lot of indecisiveness over here. So when there's indecisiveness, do not enter a trade. And let's wait for it to go up first. Take the resistance, creating the move, allow more liquidity to be created. Then we go for the selling. Okay, right? How about the gold? Yes, the gold. Yes, it went up to 2085. Okay, good. 2085, right? Just now we are talking about 2085. Am I right? Okay. So right now stop there. Okay, 2085 stop there. Good. So if this able to hold and become a resistance down again, well, will that be good? Okay. Will that be good? It should be good, right? Okay. So let's see if the of course, let's see if the liquidity can be taken out. Then we will see if they are able to sell from there, which is oh, actually, it's soon. Looks like coming soon. A little bit more to go. 5 now, trying to take 18, 2086, right? Let me see. 86 exactly. Not 2085, it's 2086. Okay, 2086. Okay. Okay. Yep. 2086. Okay. Yep. So currently just very oops. Hold on first, hold on first. Okay, hold on first. Hold on first. Okay, pound dollar, let's take a look. It's reaching the resistance. Let's see. Oh yes, good. It's reaching the resistance. Yeah. Nice. Okay, our dollar is reaching out to the resistance. Then just wait. Okay, hang on. Then we have to wait. Let's see if the H4 is going, how the H4 is going to close. Right, taking out this area. Now this resistance is still holding nicely, and we be able to see some selling off into 126,557 later on. Yep, 126,557. Okay, so creating this space here from 126,793. If this hold as a resistance, in the next H4 we should be looking out for selling down to 126,557. In between, along the way, it will need to break 126.55, 126.655. Okay, it should be looking to break 126.655. Okay, yeah. Right. Yes, correct. Of course, I'm the seller. I'm looking for selling, and I'm waiting for a good chance. I'm waiting for a good chance that now looks like, okay, looks like, okay, looks like, okay, the selling should be coming in quite soon over at this point here. Okay. Yes, that's right. Yeah, but for now, okay, but for now, please be reminded, okay, because of this move over here, okay, over here, this move over here, it hits into one area. What area are we hitting into? Let's take a look. This area, the 126,081, right? If break of structure, sell off to take 126,081, which is the liquidity here, nicely taken, and we are back into this area. We are back into the previous support area, a very strong support area that into the transition. Remember, this is a transition. Am I right? Okay, so this transition area of a support, okay, this may be a support that changed the trend to take the liquidity up there of 127,521. Okay, there's a lot of space up there to be taken. Okay, so this area we have to be wary of. So even later on, if there is some selling off, okay, it may be only a pullback, right? It may be a pullback down to set up support and go again. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes, you can say that. Okay. Yep, you can say that because for now, they are still trying to. You see, if you're looking at H4, okay, looks like it's the beginning of the. They are trying to build. They are trying to build the buying structure up to take this liquidity. But then again, is that at the edge, okay, they are at the edge of building it, right? So well, we have to be careful, okay, to see if they are in somehow are they going to come down to take some areas before they going back again, right? But it also depends on how it close. Please wait for the closure. Okay, please wait for the closure. Right, please wait for the closure. Yep. Yes. Okay, please wait for the closure before we actually jump into it. Yep. You have to wait for the closure. Yep. Yes. Goal wise, okay. Well, looks good. Like there's some scalping here. 14, 15 pips, about 14 to 15 pips. Over here, 12 pips maybe. Yeah. Okay. 14 to 15 pips. Yep. Okay. M5 has opened. Let's take a look. Right. Okay. Pound dollar. It looks so juicy for me to sell now. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. We are close. We are closing down into H4 opening. Please bear that in mind. Okay. Please bear that in mind. All right. Then please wait if possible. Yeah. H4 is closing. Yes, you're right. Okay. Yeah. So please wait. Okay. Please wait. Okay. No more. What do you mean by no more liquidity up there to be taken? Should be taking down some there to before it should be going up because it still need the liquidity. Oh yeah. Hi Christopher, thank you so much for coming in. We are talking about pound dollar on the go. We're talking about pound dollar on the go. Pound dollar, okay. Pound dollar, yes. Okay. Yep. Right. Pound dollar, okay. Looks good. I mean, reaching out into the price of 126,793, which is our target of resistance. It has tested now. Okay, if you are good at selling off this, yes, you want to go, you can go, but the thing is that H4 is closing soon, so probably okay, yeah, I will wait for the selling structure to come in. Okay. Hi, good morning, Martin Bello. Hi, from Nigeria. Oh, nice. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much. Wow, we have a lot of Nigerian here. All right, thank you so much for coming in. Hope you like this channel. Follow us and let's learn together. All right. We are looking at pound dollar for selling off from the resistance of 126,793. Okay. Yep. Okay. So over at this point here. Yep. And okay. But the thing is that to be careful because I have not entered any trade. Okay. So I'm waiting for the H4 to open. I want to see how the H4 open and firstly to see how the H4 close first. So if the H4 is still going to close below the resistance, then I think it's still good, right? Yeah, because we still have an area here for the H4 to take note. Okay, this is the area, right? So this area if this is going to close right below, I think it's still good. Right? If not, it's going to close above inside there. It may still go up a little bit to price of 126,938 and hover around here. It's going to take a long while before it can come down or go up. It's going to be very hectic. Going sideways is always very hectic, am I right? Okay. So no. All right. So no. Okay. Yep. Right. Yes. Well, okay. So yes, I will be going live every day during the London session. So do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to ring up the bell so they can get the notification whenever I go live. Okay, all right. Then yep, this is a community of traders. We have XNS founder Caro. Okay, who is very good with the gold trading. Okay, and I'm a currency trader. Many people will share here, like Bradley. Okay, Sabrina. Yeah, Ellen. Yes, all right. Merry Christmas. Okay, many nice people here. Okay, right. Some movement, yes, some movement is coming in. Okay, some movement is coming in. Yep. Let's see. Right, let's take this box away first so that not to confuse ourselves because we are H4 is going to open soon. Right. So hang on for a little while. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, lots of strategies here. Yes. Right, H4 has opened. So looks like it's closing slightly marginally below the resistance. Let's see, will it actually start the selling off? All right, and okay, yeah, okay, toddler style, okay, we have toddler style, ACS, XNS, BSGD, AFF. Okay, so yep, okay, right. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay, now what's the next move for now? The next move for now is to wait for the selling structure to come in. Okay, since it's closing below the resistance. When we come to the price of a resistance, okay, when we come to the price of the resistance, like here, okay, like over here, okay, and this area here, okay, when we come to a price here, the resistance here doesn't mean that you sell off immediately. Okay, yeah. We need to form up the selling structure. Okay, the forming of the selling structure should come in before we can go for a selling. It will be better if you can start selling after the selling structure comes in. Okay, so currently I'm waiting for the next resistance to come in. All right, then it will be good to sell. All right, then it will be good to sell off. All right, so at the moment it is still not a very good area to sell now. So probably we may need to wait. Okay, we may need to wait for a while. Okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah, don't sell now. Don't sell now. Okay, they looks like they are going to retest again to form maybe a double top here to confirm the double top. Then after that to sell off. Right. So this area is still a very painful area. Okay, 126,655. This area has been talking about this area since last week until now. It's still a painful area. Right. So need to wait for a little while. Okay. Once it clear off this, then we will be able to go down to 126,557. Okay. Yep. Right. As for the goal wise, yep, and same thing. It looks like we are coming back to 2084. Have to break this area again. Right. Then after that we will see how. Then after that to see if they are able to take 2079. 2079. Right. Yep. Okay. Right. For pound. Sorry. Let's take a look. H4 has opened as well. Let's see. Seems like a good one. Seems like they have to wait for. I think still have to wait for 2084 to form the resistance below 2084. Yeah, but coming soon, I will say if what I've planned able to surface, right, and to have to close right below 2084.59, okay, which is over here M5, right, over here. If they are able to close below and retest lower as a resistance, then good chance to sell off. Yes, good chance to sell off. Yep. Yes, good chance to sell off. Okay. Yes, correct. That's right. Okay, but not now. If you are seller, if you're looking into selling for this gold, okay, so probably we may need to wait for this area. 2084. 2084. Yep. Have to wait. 2084. I guess have to wait. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, today a bit slow, nothing much today. So probably in the New York session will be better. Okay. Then tomorrow we will be back here again, and then we'll take a look how is it going to be like. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So that's all for today, I guess. All right. So we'll see you tomorrow once again. All right. Thank you so much for today. Boring day. Okay, but as a trader, we have to experience this to gain the experience, right? Okay. Okay. So we'll come back tomorrow. Okay, to see if there's a chance for us to trade again. Okay. All right, so just hang on with that, and let's take a look at a New York session later on, so that maybe that will be better for you. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Alan. Remember to smash the like button. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. And this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck in your New York session with bountiful profits, and I shall see you tomorrow once again. All right. Thank you very much. See you again.